All right, it's our favorite day of the week. Our dessert diva, Danette Randall, is here in our kitchen.
What are we making today?
Well, get excited because it's something sweet. It's something pepperminty, so if you don't like peppermint, you still might like these because it's just, it's a hint.
Okay.
It's a hint. They're candy cane butter cookies. Candy cane butter cookies. These are a staple at my place on Christmas Eve. I always make these. These go great with hot chocolate, Prosecco, bourbon. I'm just saying eggnog.
Any kind of
even
drink.
eggnog, anything. And they're actually kind of light, so you can eat a lot of them. Even, you know, I mean, what do you think, Melissa?
I was gonna say, I see what you mean. The candy cane's not overwhelming because I'm not the biggest
She's
candy cane
not
fan.
a huge candy cane lover, but I told her it's not that minty.
not.
It just has a hint. It just kind of brings it together.
a smidge.
All right, just a smidge. Okay, so what I have David doing right now, he's a very good helper. He's crushing the candy canes.
Look at
so
the
you can
form.
see.
Hold on, look at the form.
Look at that. Oh, he's
Slow motion.
got it. He's so good at that. So this is about 10 to 12 candy canes in here. That's all you need. If you use the smaller ones, a few more, but it's not that hard. You could also put them in a baggie and just, you know, get out your Christmas frustration with it. But
Go
you
ahead,
know,
David.
but that's
How big do you want them crushed up? You know?
I leave some big. They melt a little bit in the oven when they bake, but so a few crumbs. You can have a few big pieces.
Melts
like
in
I
your
said,
mouth, not in
it
your
melts
hand.
exactly. Okay, so we've got 3/4 cups butter, unsalted. We got 3/4 cups sugar. Now, keep in mind, this is 3/4 cup butter, 3/4 cup sugar, but they're making a lot of cookies. So if you only have 1 or 2, I mean, it's not, a lot of people when they see the butter and sugar, they're like, what? But you're only having 1 or 2, you know what I mean? So you're not, and it's spread out. So 1 egg. Now, I also put a little bit of peppermint extract in it just to pump it up a little bit, but like you tasted, it's not
really
crazy
Just a
pepperminty.
smidge.
It's kind of like,
Except when you get the piece of it.
yeah, just a little. So you don't like candy canes, just period?
I know.
She had a
Isn't that
bad
weird?
experience.
No, I did not. I'm just not the biggest
Santa
peppermint
didn't
fan.
In the
give her a
early
candy
90s,
cane.
something happened in the early 90s.
I'm telling you. All right, so we're
good,
gonna
though.
do teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now, if you don't want them as minty, you could just use vanilla and just do the peppermint. Also, if you like chocolate, you know they have these peppermint chocolate sticks, or you could put chocolate chips in these with a little bit of peppermint. If you don't like the candy cane, that texture, put peppermint extract and then chocolate chips in it, and oh, they are so good.
Sold
then
on
we've
that.
got 2 cups flour, just regular salt, and a little bit of baking powder, about a teaspoon. And look at how fast these came together. We even talked a lot before I even started stirring these. So I mean, that's how fast this goes. And all you're gonna do is stir this up. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. They're basically,
How am I doing over here?
You are doing
He's working
so
away.
well. I mean, are you?
Look at the form. Look at the form. You got to zoom in on this. There we go.
Oh my
you
gosh,
are like,
perfect. You
it's
better dump them
perfect.
in there.
I've actually never
I'm switching-
seen
and
candy
switching-
canes crushed so
well.
well. Okay, so dump these in here.
They make the
All your-
cookies look festive too.
Yeah, they're festive. You can
Really?
serve, put candy canes all over. Yep, go
Spell
ahead, dump it in there. Festive. All right, candy canes. Melissa, don't be turned off by this. That's all it is.
Something happened in the
telling
90s,
You,
Reed.
I think
I
it was
promise,
Santa
these
Claus.
are pretty good. Okay, we have to send it over to Lee, but I'm going to bring Lee and Meredith. I'm going to bring you guys some cookies because they are pretty good. I
And
have to admit.
festive.
Festive.
I like that. I actually do like candy canes, but I also like cookies. So what can go wrong there?